Negative square roots can sometimes come up in mathematics. Solution to this is I. I is mainly used in algebra, and the powers of I are I equals negative 1 to the square root, I squared equals negative 1, I cubed equals negative I, and I to the fourth equals 1. Definition of I is used as an imaginary numerical value that represents the square root of negative 1. A real-world use of I is an electromagnetic field requires imaginary numbers to measure because the strength of the field is determined by both electrical and magnetic components that must be combined into a single complex imaginary number to get an accurate reading. An example problem of this would be square root of negative 49. Of course, we cannot take the square root of a negative, so we add I. This looks like square root of 49I, or square root of 49 times I. The answer to this is 7I. This is because square root of 49 is 7, and all we have to do is add I to equate the missing negative sign. Powers of I also go into I-27. This is just an example of the powers of I, but let's solve it. To find I-27, or to simplify it, we have to find the nearest number that 4 goes into, or is divisible by 4. The closest number to 27 that is divisible by 4 is 24. We would have 3 extra or 3 remainder, so we would just attach this to I, and this would come out to be I cubed. I cubed, of course, simplifies into negative I. Negative I would be our answer in this situation. Multiplying I would look like this. 5I times 7I would equal 35I squared. This is because 5 times 7 equals 35, and I times I equal I squared. I squared equals negative 1, so then this would look like 35 times negative 1. Answer to this would be negative 35. Subtracting would look like this. Negative 81 to the square root minus negative 16 square root. You translate this into 81I square root minus 16I square root. These would translate into 9I minus 4I due to the fact that 9 is the square root of 81. 4 is the square root of 16. This would translate into 5I, being that 9 minus 4 equals 5. Then you would just attach the I. Addition would work similar to subtraction. 12I plus 8I would equate into 20I. This is due to the fact that 12 plus 8 equals 20. I is not only just used in algebra. It can be used in many different mathematics due to the fact that negative square roots can come up in any mathematical practice. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helped.